So we've got a couple coming in. This is Jet2 737-8MG.
Sorry, just dropped me, shaking off the bugs and managed to drop me mic.
This is coming from REU.
Northern Spain. Used to be an alternative to flying to Barcelona in the early days for charter flights. That and Girona, and a huge old coach drive to the Costa Dorada then, I seem to remember. Bit of reverse thrust now from that one.
Yeah, there was a nice little bit of weight turbulence as well, weren't there?
The 737 lands about, I may not get the exact figure right here, something like 10 knots faster than the Airbuses.
Oh, so
right? you'll find it. You always find it a bit harder to pan for those because they're coming in a little bit faster.